Hello everyone, I am Jebakriba Roslin. I am happy to welcome you all to one more video of my channel, and I am also very much excited by seeing the support you are giving for the channel. And today video is from the subject principles of insurance. The topic we are going to see today is evolution of insurance. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for my every new video. Above all, your comment are the motivating factor. Don't forget to drop your valuable comments and also share this video to your friends whom you find it useful. Without further delay, let us get into the video. Content for today. The topic we are going to discuss under evolution of insurance are insurance through ages, modern concept of insurance, and history of insurance in India. Right, let us see one by one. Insurance through the ages. To understand the current scenario of insurance, it is essential to understand the traces of insurance over the years. The main concept of insurance, that of spreading risk among many, has been around as long as human existed. The earliest known example of insurance dates back to the Babylonian period, approximately 2250 BC, when the Babylonians developed a type of loan insurance for maritime business. This loan is named as bottomary loans. Bottomary is a maritime contract by which the owner of a ship borrow money for equipping or repairing the vessels and for a definite term pledges the ship as securities. It is being indicated that if the ship be lost in the specified voyage or period by any of the perils listed, the lender shall lose his money. This practice is now almost obsolete. Similar practice like Babylonian traders were prevalent among traders among Bharuch and Surat sailing in Indian ships to Sri Lanka, Egypt and Greece. The Greeks had started benevolent societies in the late 7th century AD to take care of the funeral and families of members who died. The Friendly Society of England were similarly constituted. The inhabitants of Rhodes adopted a practice whereby if some goods were lost due to jettisoning during distress, the owners of goods would bear the losses in some proportion. Jettisoning. What is meant by jettisoning? It is to drop the cargo to lighten a ship's load in time of distress. So here the sharing of the loss of goods is done by even those who have not lost nothing in the voyage or the distress. Then the Chinese traders in the ancient day would keep their goods in different boats or ships sailing over the treacherous rivers. They assumed that even if any of the boats suffered such a fate, the loss of goods would be only partial and not total. The loss could be distributed and thereby reduced. So these are the various traces of insurance which we could find over the years. Modern concept of insurance. So far we have seen how insurance was treated over years, but we should also be aware of where actually the foundation for the modern concept of insurance is being laid. Modern insurance began in London and exploded globally from Edward Lloyd's Coffee House in 1688. It's now known as Lloyd's of London. Shipowners would meet at Lloyd's and discuss their voyages. They realized the value of their cargo was great enough that it would be extremely harmful to lose a ship at sea. Someone came up with the idea for the shipowners to share the risk. That way, they would subsidize each other's losses. A shipowner would write his ship's name and voyage and cargo on a slip of paper and post it in the coffee house. Other shipowners willing to share the risk would write their names under the ship's name. That's where the term underwriting came from. So, from those models beginning, we now have a global insurance industry in which risk is shared among all the participants. Next, Amicable Society of Perpetual Assurance. William Talbot and Sir Thomas Allen established the Amicable Society of Perpetual Assurance, which becomes the first company to offer life insurance. Members between the age of 12 and 55 would pay a fixed annual payment per share to 1 to 3 years. Wives and children of the members would receive the dividends after the members passed away. These two things, that is the Lloyd Coffee House and the Amicable Society for a Perpetual Assurance, laid the foundation for the modern life insurance and non-life insurance. History of insurance in India. So far, we have seen the growth of insurance over years around the world. Now, let us see some of the important milestones in Indian insurance industry. Modern insurance in India began in early 1800s with agencies of foreign insurers starting marine insurance business. The Oriental Life Insurance Company Limited is the first life insurance company to be set up in India, was an English company. The Triton Insurance Company Limited is the first non-life insurer to be established in India. Bombay Mutual Assurance Society Limited is the first Indian insurance company. It was formed in 1870 in Mumbai. National Insurance Company Limited is the oldest insurance company in India. It was founded in 1906 and it is still in business. Many other Indian companies were set up subsequently as a result of the Swadeshi movement at the turn of the century. In 1912, the Life Insurance Company Act and the Provident Fund Act were passed to regulate the insurance business. The Life Insurance Company Act 1912 made it compulsory that premium rate tables and periodic valuation of company be certified by an actuary. However, the disparity and discrimination between Indian and foreign companies continued. In the Insurance Act 1938 was first legislation enacted to regulate the conduct of insurance company in India. This act, as amended from time to time, continues to be in force. The controller of insurance was appointed by the government under the provision of the Insurance Act. Next, let us see about nationalization of life insurance. Life insurance business was nationalized on 1st September 1956 and the Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) was formed. There were 170 companies and 75 provident fund societies doing life insurance business in India at the time. From 1956 to 1999, the LIC held exclusive rights to do life insurance business in India. Next, let us see about nationalization of non-life insurance. With the enactment of General Insurance Business Nationalization Act (GIBNA) in 1972, the non-life insurance business was also nationalized and the General Insurance Company of India (GIC) and its 4 subsidiaries were set up. At the time, 106 insurers in India doing non-life insurance business were amalgamated with the formation of 4 subsidiaries of GIC of India. Next, when discussing about the history of insurance, we should definitely discuss or see about the Malhotra Committee and IRDAI. In 1993, the Malhotra Committee was set up to explore and recommend changes for development of the industry, including the reintroduction of an element of companies. The committee submitted its report in 1994. In 1997, Insurance Regulatory Authority (IRA) was established. The passing of Insurance Regulatory Development Act IRDAI 1999 led to the formation of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India in April 2000 as a statutory regulatory body both for life, non-life and health insurance industry. IRDA has been subsequently renamed as IRDAI in 2014. Amending the Insurance Act in 2015, certain stipulations have been added governing the definition and formation of insurance companies in India. Next, life insurance industry today. Currently, there are 24 insurance companies operating in India as detailed here under. Life Insurance Corporation (LIC) of India is a public sector company. There are 23 life insurance company in the private sector. Alphabetical list of 23 life insurance company in the private sector is as shown in the visual. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has given a lot of information about insurance industry in general and particularly about the various milestones in Indian insurance industry. If you find this video useful, please share this video with your friends. Also like this video and drop your valuable comments below the video. Also watch the other videos related to this topic and the various topics uploaded in my channel. Thank you all.